What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson here, back with another awesome FastBNB video. This video is gonna be quick. Just want to let you know FastBNB is still kicking butt and taking names. The only dilemma we have right now is this. So this is a dilemma that we can't control. Not sure what's going on down in the BNB community, but BNB has dropped $110 in the last 24 hours, I believe. Last 24 hours when I look at it on Coin Market Cap. Okay, my people need some help. When I looked at it on Coin Market Cap, it was just like straight line down, red to the fullest. I probably should have left it up here so I could see it, but yeah, we can go to it real quick. And then I'm gonna go ahead. It's too early in the morning to do a withdrawal. So I'm not going to do a withdrawal this early in the morning. I just wanted to come on here and show you this BNB 368. Look at that. I mean, it came up a little. So that means last night while I was asleep, it was even worse. Oh, wow. I'm glad I didn't see that. So it came up a little bit and it's going back down a little bit, but it was like up here. Oh, shoot. That was dropping from there too. What the heck? I must have. That's right, because I mean, I don't even look at this all day long. I know it's going to do what it's supposed to do. So, golly. Let's see. Okay. Pull this over. Let's do this. Let's do one more. All right. 18, 21st. See, that's what I remember. So that's the 20th. So I mean, I must have just been withdrawing and not paying attention, just taking money out. That's why. Okay, because I remember I had like 588, and then when I went to go withdraw, it was 540 something. That's why. Oh man, I'm thinking that the fees was just crazy. It wasn't the fees; it was dropping like a roller coaster. But yeah, it need to get back over here. But obviously that was before 2021, 2020. But it needs to come back up to here. It was actually at 600 at one point in time. Let me do 1 year. And then let me see, right? Yeah, see, that's what we need to get back to that. November 6th, 2021. It's actually the Queen's birthday right there. So on the Queen's birthday, $650. Man, we need to get back to that. 672. That's good too. May. 510. Almost on my anniversary. Let me see what was on my anniversary. Yeah, we dropped. Don't want to be on that. Okay, Queen's dad's birthday. That's good too. But hey, man, we kicking butt and taking name. Even with it dropping, I mean, this is crypto. It goes up, goes down. It looks like 383. I don't know. Let me go back to 1 day so we can really see where it's at. 60, yeah, 367. So it's going back up a little bit. So we just hopefully that whatever's going on. I mean, Bitcoin is getting hammered, even though they're on two different blockchains, some kind of way. When Bitcoin is being attacked, everything is being attacked. Ethereum will go down. Bitcoin is like what are you trying to do? You going back to the 2000s, the early the 2017? I don't know what Bitcoin is doing. Let me see. Let's go to all. Trying to go back to 2018. Yeah, because it went to 19,000. Everybody knew it was the be all know all right around here. It was 19,000. I know it was like, I remember it being 19,000. After that, the bottom fell out. There we go, 19,000. Yeah. And the bottom fell out. Remember that? It was like, and a lot of people were starting to just get into Bitcoin at that top part. And then it fell out. So right here, when everybody was still scared, this is when we should have been buying. This is exactly when we should have been buying. I ain't think of it, so hey, I ain't mad at you. You didn't think of it right there, that day. 12/15, 2018. Obviously, a year later. That's when we should have been buying. Because I know some people that brought it, no, not even that. Like right about here. Yep. Obviously, they still made out because, you know, Bitcoin went up to it was up to 70 at one point. What would yeah, 66. So 66. I thought it had hit 70 something. Maybe it didn't. All right, but it was at that point. But every time that these cryptocurrencies seem like whenever Bitcoin's going down, everything goes with it. Baby Doge went down because BNB went down. We gotta get our life back. So we need people to start investing more back into BNB so we can get it back up. So the good thing is we got a platform that multiplies our BNB, which this is doing. It's just that yesterday, if this was still in the fours, that'd be probably an extra $100 or probably extra $200. To tell you the truth, I'm trying to think of the math, because if it does 0.4 BNB, 0.4 BNB at $300 something is that price. So if it was $400 something, obviously probably another $100 more, but still 155. Can't complain about that. One day it's not even a full day, so probably about 200 around that time. And they refreshed the nodes. So right now, while they're still in the back office fixing stuff, you just got to come back in and refresh it, and then you'll see your numbers change. I mean, every few seconds you see something change up in here, but it's not fully back to how it was before, where you could just watch it every 20, 30 seconds and then do something. You just got to come in here and refresh it, because the system was berserk. It was a bug. Now they got it fixed. So that's what I'm saying. You got to stay in a platform where people are fixing things. Can't let stuff stay broke. Because remember, that's what I was looking like, hold on, how I have hundreds and hundreds of BNB in here? I wasn't getting paid off of it. I just was happy because I'm thinking that this contest coming up, that wasn't supposed to be there. I don't have that much BNB in my team. There's no way in the world I could have that much BNB. So. Just letting you know, yeah, we're kicking butt, taking names. I got to get back to my team. They're trying to do some withdrawals. We're trying to figure out some the times when BNB is the cheapest and the gas fees, which is like before 11 a.m. EST. That's pretty much it. People using their cell phones, people using their computers. So I got to know both, how to work on both. I got it on my cell phone. I got it on my computer. And it's pretty much just the easiest way to go here now. Once you're in, all you got to do is just put that right there inside the thing, and your MetaMask wallet connect to it, and it'll come straight to your dashboard. So I just hit it. It'll take me to the dashboard. That connector turn the dashboard. I'll see my link right there. Boom. But if you're not in, don't do that. Use my link that's right here, and then go ahead and put it in. And I have it inside the comments, and then you'll be able to join with us. Join with us everywhere. The same thing. I had nothing happening. Okay, and it fixed. Okay, cool. All right, beautiful people. Just wanted to show you that we're still kicking butt, taking names. I got some stuff to do today, around 11, so I'm not gonna be able to do no video. I might do one later on today. I don't know. I'm not gonna make no promises, but we're just gonna continue to let this grow since BNB wants to drop. I'm not gonna take it out yet. I don't want to take it out until it's like over 200. You know what I'm saying? Or just re-input it. Unless it's a certain amount, because it's no sense. There's no sense. To tell you the truth. So, hey, love you. Like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, rock that bell, join my team. Let's get busy. I'll help you set. I mean, like I said, I showed a guy from France that couldn't speak English how to join using Google Translator. So, hey, I got you. You speak any other language, so let me know what it is. We put it in a translator. We go back and forth because it's so easy. It's not much. It's just a little different than what you used to on how to join. You just got to have that MetaMask. But the people that already use MetaMask, is a breeze for them because they already know it. It was new for me too, because I haven't used MetaMask. I had Trust Wallet, and we don't use Trust Wallet, so we use MetaMask. So I had to learn myself too. So I watched a whole bunch of videos. There's a lot of good stuff on YouTube. There's just a lot of people want to ask me and don't want to look at the YouTube. So I looked at a lot of YouTube videos, figured out how to do it, put it together, boom. I mean, I did that for another op, and then I used the same method, was just to come and bring the link and drop it, and then it paid me in. All right, beautiful people. Love you. Love you. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day. God bless.